Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amy Louise. If you are new here, please do hit that subscribe button. Today, I need to make sure that my address isn't on the box. I'm opening my Look Fantastic box. This is the monthly subscription box. Okay, so this is this month's box design. Quite cute actually. Yeah, I am an affiliate for Look Fantastic. I do pay for this box. And there is a link in the description box down below for a discount. You can sign up and get like a month. You can get, I think it's 1, 3, 6 and 12 months. I do, oh my gosh, everything's falling already. I do the year box. I love these magazines. I have like a whole collection of them that I just sit and read when I'm doing like face masks and stuff. So in the book it's gonna have a little bit of information about each product in here and then some like typical magazine-y stuff. So yeah. Opening up, you get to see all the products straight away, which I really do enjoy when I get to open up these boxes. So the first product I have got is the So Eco Gentle Face Buffer, which is an exfoliating pad. I forgot to put my phone on silent. Okay, so this is a facial exfoliator. This is gently exfoliate your skin with natural facial buffer. I have so many facial exfoliators at the minute due to subscription boxes. They always seem to put some sort of exfoliating product in there when it comes to like summer. This one doesn't, can I pull this out? It doesn't feel too rough, like I'm literally just like rubbing. It's got these kind of, can we see? It's just kind of like little loops, I guess. This does feel quite nice. I will probably just put this on the side of my bath when I'm getting a bath and give myself a nice little scrub. I will probably use this like twice a week. I have used the silicone one that I got, I think it was in my glossy box last month. I've been using that a little bit, once or twice a week, so I would probably like use that or this. I wouldn't use them both, but I do love a chemical exfoliator instead. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll keep this, maybe I'll give it away. I'm not sure. Next is the Ritual of Jing Relax Mild Body Scrub. I like a body scrub. Cool. So mild body scrub. Does it say anything else? No. So escape the hectic pace of everyday life through deep relaxation and restful sleep. Ooh. That smells like a spa. Like, that smells delicious. I'm just gonna want to see how gritty it is. Oh, okay. So it's bitty. Can we see? So it is bitty, but it is really small bits. This is gonna be really, really nice. I can feel it in my bones. I do love a good body scrub, so I'm happy with that. Next we have the Philip Kinsley Styling Finishing Touch Polishing Serum. Is this my hair? I actually have no idea. I'm gonna have to look in the book. So I'm just gonna read from the book. So this is a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect and help style the hair. Packaged in a bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable, ethic way. It's got vitamin B5, vitamin A and citric acid. It says to use a small amount to the mid-length and ends and then towel to towel dried hair, and then dry and style as required. Okay, cool. So the buffer, it says it's an exfoliating pad from an award-winning environmentally responsible brand Sir Eco. Great for all skin types. This pad helps to unclog pores and to remove dead skin cells, as well as aiding in the absorption of skincare, which is like the main reason I love exfoliating, but you don't want to over exfoliate. Be careful. And then it says to dampen with warm water and squeeze your favourite body wash onto the pad. Yes, thank you. So this is for the body, it's not for the face. Yes. Okay, gently scrub all over the body in circular motions before rinsing with warm water. I am even more happy. So it says body in here, but it actually says facial on here. I will probably keep this now and just use it on my body with the body scrub. Get some, like, try and like ease the chicken skin on my legs. And then, is that everything that I had? Oh, and the body scrub says it is an exfoliating body scrub composed of ultra-fine bamboo particles and in a cream base that removes dead skin cells while giving you the most relaxing bathing experience, formulated with active ingredients that are suitable on even the most sensitive skin areas such as neck and cleavage. I do not break out, but I get like a lot of break out, but I break out and it's like these tiny little things and then they'll disappear, and then I get scars all over my chest. Like if you look at my old photos, I didn't even bother to cover them up, it was just like all on my chest. Luckily I'm pretty good at the minute, like hello chest being clear. So yeah, exfoliating has definitely helped with that, so that I'm very happy with. This is, it contains sacred lotus, jujube, shea butter and coconut oil, and to massage into the skin in circular motions before rinsing with warm water, and follow with moisturizer. Next product, Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. So this is a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF and even eye makeup for a complexion that is left calmer. Oh right, okay, your skin's left calmer. Clearer and brighter thanks to its signature bioactive and pre and probiotic complex designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier while it gently exfoliates. It's got salicylic acid and willow bark. Nice. And then it says to massage into damp skin until makeup is fully broken down. Rinse with warm water and follow your favourite moisturizer. Nice. I will give that a go. And then, oh god, I'm saying it a go because I swear in every single beauty box you get some sort of like lip balm. So this is the Dr. Lip Tint. Are we focusing? Focus. No. Shit on one focus. So this is a hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over the lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of colour with 100% natural ingredients list for a softer pout. It's got lanolin and anthocyanins, which is a plant pigment from the red radish. Smooth onto lips throughout the day as often as needed. Apply to the cheeks and eyelids for a glossy pop of colour. I'm not adding this to my lids. Maybe my cheeks, but I'm not adding it to my eyes. Okay, so that's quite cute colour actually. That is pretty. It's sheer, but it's not too sheer. It's got a bit of pigment to it. Great for like every day. That'll go in my tub. I probably won't wear it that much, to be honest, because masks, and I'm not wearing a coloured lip balm to bed. I always wear lip balm. I love lip balm. I've said this so often. I am like a full lip balm junkie, but yeah, I'm not wearing a coloured lip balm to bed. Maybe during the day, but again, if I'm going anywhere I'm gonna have to wear a mask, so it's kind of pointless at this point in time. Next is the ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. I love a eye cream. We're still not focusing. Okay, cool. I love an eye cream. My fave is the CeraVe cream. Love it. So this, I believe, was teased like 2 months ago, and then they was like, no, we got it wrong. You'll get it next month. Oh, so it was last month, not this month, not 2 months ago. So yeah, it was teased and we didn't get it, so here we are. And it is a deeply nourishing hydrating eye cream formulated with a variety of effective, kind to skin ingredients to replenish, protect, soothe your delicate eye area. I cannot speak today. Evening primrose and jojoba oil work together to intensely moisturize for eyes that appear refreshed and youthful. It's got It's got myrrh, frankincense, neroli, ginkgo biloba, evening primrose, and jojoba oil. When I read myrrh and frankincense, I was like, are we like at Sunday school? Like, okay. Anyway, so gently tap a small amount under the eyes and up to the brow bone every morning and evening after cleansing. Nice. Can I... Oh, okay. So she's not as thick as... Let's get some of that back in the tube. Okay, so she's not as thick as I'm used to for an eye cream. Usually my eye creams are thick. She's quite thin and almost like watery. But then I have, where are you gone? I have this Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum from Dr. Botanicals, and it's basically water. And I really enjoy that for like under makeup. This is not as thin as that. But yeah, that feels nice, and it's got quite a fresh scent. It's not anything too wild, and I'm just noticing my hair. The joys of textured hair in the summer. I styled it like 2 days ago, and I'm being lazy. Is that everything? That is everything in the box. This is my favorite, the body scrub. I'm gonna up my body in this tonight when I get home from work, get in the bath, really get a good scrub on. There is nothing better than like a really good body scrub. Oh, it just feels divine. Yeah, I've got a link down in the description box if you want to check this box out. Like I said, you can get like a month, 3, 6 or 12 I think it is, and the more months you sign up for, you get a bigger discount. And I also have a discount code down there too. I believe if you use my link you get the discount. That's down there too, and if you sign up with my link, I think you get £5 credit or something, £5 off, something like that. I don't know. Honestly, I'm like the worst. Like I forget to even check. But it's you get some sort of like, I think it's £5 off your next box, or £5 credit to, because they have like on their website you can buy products that are in previous boxes and stuff, and other products. So you can do that too. So I think you get £5 off that maybe. I don't know. It'll be in the description box basically. But yeah, that is everything for this month's box. I like it. Do we have prices? We don't have prices for these products. Look fantastic, please. Like, I love your boxes. Just put the prices, like the recommended retail price of products in the edit, and I would be happy, because I want to like figure out how much my boxes are worth without spending like an hour on googling prices for stuff. So yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, if you haven't already, please do hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. I will see you on the next one. Bye.